Hey, I'm Thomas, Schwaben Brand Manager, and today I'm going to go over 4 must-have Schwaben tools to have in your garage. 1, the Schwaben magnetic tray. This is a must-have for when you're working on a car that has multiple different screws. You can easily stick this to the hood or any other part of the car, and then it's also magnetic, so it holds all of your individual screws that you have in there and you don't lose any of them. 2, the locking hose clamp pliers. These are phenomenal. You can use them anywhere throughout the car that uses a locking style hose clamp, and it also has a longer cable so you can get in those hard to reach places without having to use channel locks that are going to slip off and you end up hurting yourself. I've been there, I've done that. This is a lifesaver. The 3rd one, a metric wrench set. You can't fit a socket everywhere in the car, you can't use an impact everywhere in the car or a ratchet. So a wrench is great to get into tight spots easily throughout the whole car and is a must. And last but not least, the Schwaben Pad. If you've ever worked on your car in your garage, you know that laying on the ground is not the best thing. So this is nice to have when you're under the car doing an oil change. If you don't have a Schwaben fluid extractor, you can put this underneath you so you're not laying on the hard cement. That wraps up the 4 must-have Schwaben tools for any garage. It doesn't matter whether you're working on your mom's minivan or your old Mark I. These are all going to be linked in the description below. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button and follow for more enthusiast content.